We climbed Hambach for bread, freedom, and a Germany that did not yet exist.
The Hambach Festival took place in 1832 at Hambach Castle in the Palatinate. Around 30,000 people gathered, including students, craftsmen, journalists, and some women. They demanded civil rights, freedom of the press, popular sovereignty, and German national unity. Black, red, gold flags were carried as symbols of liberty and a future Germany. Hambach was not an armed revolution. It was a public political demonstration with speeches, music, and celebration. But for conservative rulers, that was dangerous enough, and repression increased afterwards. The festival remains an important symbol of democratic and national hopes before 1848.